Welcome to this short presentation on Vet Fee Help. What is Vet Fee Help? Vet Fee Help is a federal government student loan scheme. Vet Fee Help can be used to pay all or part of an eligible student's tuition fees. Vet Fee Help is managed and administered by the Australian Taxation Office. Once your Vet Fee Help loan is processed, the debt sits with Australian Taxation Office against your record. Other payment options. You can pay for your course fees yourself, either upfront or in instalments in line with the course census dates. Partial Vet Fee Help and partial self-payment, personal loan, employer payment options. We advise that you seek independent financial advice before making this decision. Instalments are to be paid by the census dates. Am I eligible for Vet Fee Help? You are eligible for Vet Fee Help if you are an Australian citizen or a permanent humanitarian visa holder who is a resident in Australia for the duration of your study. You must have a tax file number and have not exceeded your Vet Fee Help limit of $99,389. New Zealand citizens. New Zealand citizens who meet the following criteria will be eligible for a loan. If you started living in Australia at least 10 years before applying for a loan, were a dependent child when they first started living in Australia, lived in Australia for a total of 18 months out of the last 2 years, and 8 out of the past 10 years immediately before applying, hold a special category visa. A separate New Zealand citizenship Vet Fee Help application form will need to be completed. This form is available from your Vet Fee Help support officer or TAFE teacher. Please advise your teacher if you are a New Zealand citizen. Students under 18 years of age. Students under 18 years of age will need a parent or guardian to co-sign the Vet Fee Help application form. Electronic submission of a Vet Fee Help form is not permitted. Again, a hard copy of the Vet Fee Help loan form for students under 18 is available from your Vet Fee Help support officer or TAFE teacher. Please advise your teacher if you are under 18 years of age. Academic suitability. Students wanting to take out a Vet Fee Help loan must be addressed for their academic suitability to undertake a high-level qualification. Students must meet one of the following: higher school certificate or undertake a literacy and numeracy assessment. Are you ready? Are You Ready is the government's approved assessment tool. If you choose this option, you will need to demonstrate competence at or above the Australian Core Skills Framework Exit Level 3. If you need to undertake the Are You Ready assessment, please advise your Vet Fee Help officer or TAFE teacher. Academic suitability does not apply to Certificate 4 courses. Requesting a copy of your HSC. A copy of your HSC can be obtained from 1967 onwards for a cost of $42.50. Delivery is within 7 to 10 days. You can request for priority delivery. For students who studied in New South Wales, you can request a copy of your HSC from the Board of Studies website. How do I apply? To apply for a Vet Fee Help loan, you will need a tax file number. Before you complete the online enrolment or sign and submit your application form, you must read the Vet Fee Help 2016 information booklet. When you sign the Vet Fee Help loan paperwork, you are agreeing that you have received and read the 2016 Vet Fee Help booklet. If you have not received a copy, please advise your Vet Fee Help officer or TAFE teacher. Vet Fee Help applications can only be submitted if 48 hours has elapsed from the time of enrolment. Repaying my Vet Fee Help debt. The repayment threshold is $54,126 for the 2015-2016 income year. Compulsory payments range from 4 to 8%. Your income or assets, or those of your partner or family, do not affect your eligibility. Subsidised vet students will not attract a loan fee. There is a loan fee of 20% to cover federal administrative costs for fee-for-service courses. Census date, Commonwealth Assistance Notice Letter, and CHESN number. The census date is when you will be charged under the Vet Fee Help for your course fees. The Commonwealth Assistance Notice Letter is official notification of your course fees charged against your tax file number. The CHESN number is your Vet Fee Help number. You will receive an invoice notice 14 days prior to the census date. Your census date is the last date you can withdraw without incurring the debt for that unit of study. Please ensure that you inform your teacher if you are needing to withdraw or defer your studies before your census date. If you move or change email address, your student records need to be changed. RPL and Smart and Skilled courses. You may receive a reduction in your fees for recognition of prior learning in Smart and Skilled courses. You will need to provide evidence of your previous studies to be eligible to receive a credit. You will receive an individual costing once your application for recognition has been assessed. Your vet fee loan will be processed for your full fee initially, and once a recalculated fee is received, this will be deducted from the last unit of study. Will there be fees on my loan? There will be a 0% loan fee applied on the census date for government subsidised courses. There will be a one-off 20% federal administrative loan fee applied on the census date for fee-for-service courses. Can I pay off my debt sooner? Yes, you can make a voluntary repayment to the Australian Taxation Office at any time for any amount. Contact the Australian Taxation Office to make a repayment. Repayments of $500 or more receive a 5% bonus. Example: on a payment of $500, your record indicates that you have paid $525. How do I withdraw from Vet Fee Help? A Vet Fee Help withdrawal form must be submitted if you are discontinuing your studies. This form should be submitted before your Vet Fee Help census date to prevent charges. Contact your Vet Fee Help support officer on 131225 or email hunter.commercialbusiness@tafe.nsw.edu.au. It is critical for you to inform your teacher and Vet Fee Help support officer, preferably in writing, if you are considering withdrawing from your Vet Fee Help course. Next step and further information. Complete the Hunter TAFE enrolment form. Staff will assist you to complete your application. Tell us if you need to access a learner support service before finalising your enrolment. Visit the Hunter TAFE website for further information on Vet Fee Help. Please return all forms to your Vet Fee Help support officer.